Hi, my name is Naima Revelinsky, and this is my presentation on algal blooms. An algal bloom is defined in current biology by Guy Schneidler as an empirical event of rapid proliferation of phytoplankton leading to the formation of dense assemblages in diverse aquatic ecosystems, including freshwater, rivers and lakes and polar regions, coastal waters, and open oceans. I want to simplify this definition to an algae bloom is when nutrients gets into a water source and causes the rapid reproduction of algae to create a bloom of sorts. A bloom is looks like this. This is my little diagram I drew. So going back to that process of how this happens, you have runoff from human-like activities that contains phosphorus, that P, nitrogen, and carbon. This gets into a water source and acts as nutrients for the algae, which causes this increased rate of cellular respiration and reproduction. So cellular respiration is how you create ATP, which is energy, and that energy lets this algae bloom happen with reproduction, growth, and development. So why can algae blooms be bad? So HABs are harmful algae blooms. What happens after an algae bloom is all of the algae that has been produced dies. It creates this excessive amount of waste. What then happens is microorganisms come in and they take care of this waste. They use it for cellular respiration, and during this process of increased cellular respiration, they use a lot of O2. They use so much oxygen that the concentration in that area goes down to a significant amount and leads to a dead zone. A dead zone is where the concentration is so low that for animals, they're unable to perform cellular respiration and they die. This is also affecting us humans because it eliminates our food source in certain areas, and it affects our fishing industries. And that brings it back to us. How can we impact the cycle to eliminate the negative effects from algae blooms? We have to control what we release into our water systems. It's all about being thoughtful and caring about what we put into our environment and how we use it. So that was my presentation on algae blooms. Thank you so much for listening.